Welcome to the Dark Diaries, a series within the silent archives. Today we uncover the story of Carrie Buck, the girl the government deemed unfit to live. In 1927, a young woman named Carrie Buck stood before the highest court in the United States. Her crime wasn't murder. It wasn't theft. It was existing in a way the government deemed unfit. This is the story of how America decided who deserved to have children, and how Carrie became the test subject for a horrifying idea disguised as science. Carrie Buck was born in 1906 in Virginia. She grew up poor, her mother labeled feeble-minded, and sent away to an institution. When Carrie was just 16, she was assaulted by a member of her foster family and became pregnant. Instead of receiving protection or compassion, Carrie was punished. Authorities declared her feeble-minded, too, and locked her in the Virginia State Colony for epileptics and the feeble-minded. Her daughter, Vivian, was taken from her at birth. Doctors and politicians saw an opportunity. They wanted to prove that mental defectives should not reproduce. Carrie's body became their battlefield. Her case went to the Supreme Court under Buck v. Bell, 1927. The argument: that the state had the right to forcibly sterilize anyone they considered unfit. In an 8-1 decision, Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes Jr. delivered chilling words that still echo through history. 3 generations of imbeciles are enough. With those 9 words, the U.S. government legalized forced sterilization. Carrie Buck was sterilized shortly after the ruling. She was 21 years old. Her daughter Vivian, bright, curious, and performing well in school, died young, never knowing the role she played in one of the darkest chapters of American law. Over the next decades, more than 60,000 people in the United States were sterilized under the same justification. The eugenics movement spread worldwide and even inspired Nazi Germany's sterilization policies. Carrie lived quietly after her release. She married twice. She read books, tended her garden, and tried to forget what had been taken from her. It wasn't until decades later that the world recognized her as a victim of government cruelty disguised as progress. Her case has never been officially overturned. This was Carrie Buck, the woman America called unfit, so it could justify the unimaginable. Some stories aren't forgotten because they haunt the laws we still live under. This is Dark Diaries. Subscribe and share.